Hello guys, so in this video we will have a look at a few questions from practice set 9 from the chapter fractions on 6th standard Maharashtra board textbook. So our question is convert into improper fractions. So let us start with the first question. So this is a mixed fraction and we have to convert this to improper fraction. So the method is, first we will multiply. See, this is our mixed fraction. First we'll multiply 7 and 5 and then to the product of 7 and 5 we will add 2. So we write 7 multiplied by 5 plus 2. First you will multiply 7 and 5 and then you will add 2 and the denominator will remain as it is, that is 5. Yeah, so it will be 35 plus 2 divided by 5, which is 37 by 5. So 37 by 5 will be your answer. Let's have a look at the fourth question. So again, first what will you do is multiply this 9 by 2 and then add 5 to the product. So 2 multiplied by 9, add 5. We are using brackets to show that first we will multiply 9 and 2 and then add 5 to the product of 9 and 2. And the denominator will remain as it is. So it will be 18 plus 5 divided by 9. So you get 23 divided by 9. Now the other questions are similar, so you can do them. So now let us have a look at question number 2. The question says that convert into mixed numbers. Question says convert into mixed numbers. So let us pick the third one. This is interesting. It says 15 by 12. So when you see such questions or see such type of fractions, the first thing you should do is try to simplify. If possible, then you have to simplify. Try to simplify. If you can simplify, then solving becomes very easy. Then solving becomes very easy. So let us simplify the fraction first. So you see it is 15 by 12. So if you divide by 3, so in that we have to, while simplifying, you divide this by 3. You divide both by 3. You pick a number to simplify which is divisible by both the numbers, like 15 and 12 both are divisible by 3. For example, it is 6 and 12, then you can pick 2, you can pick 3. 6 is divisible by 2, 12 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 3 and 12 is divisible by 3. So you can simplify by both as per the requirement. So 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is a simplified fraction. Now we will execute the steps to convert. So the steps are, first you have to divide the fraction. Sorry, it is 5 divided by 4. So you see your quotient is 1, remainder is 1 and dividend not dividend, divisor is 4, dividend is 5. So how do you convert to mixed fraction? You write the quotient here, the divisor here, and the remainder here. Let us confirm it once. Just let me confirm it once. Sorry guys, I just missed one thing. Yeah. We write the remainder in the numerator and dividend in the denominator. Yeah, so our quotient is 1, remainder is also 1 and dividend is 5. Now how to check if your answer is correct? To check if your answer is correct, what we do is convert it back to improper fraction. So it will be 5 multiplied by 1 plus 1. See, multiply 5 and 1 and then add 1 to the product by 5. So it will be 6 by 5. Sorry guys, I made one more mistake here. It's it's not the divisor, it's not the dividend, it is the divisor. This is the divisor. This will be our mixed fraction, and when you do the math here, you will get 5 by 4. So our answer is correct. Now let us solve question number 6. It is 20 by 7. So first let us divide. 7 2s are 14 and our remainder will be 6. So quotient is 2, divisor is 7, remainder is 6. And we know the formula QR by D. The way to remember is divisor in denominator. Divisor also starts from D and denominator also starts from D. So you can remember them as divisor in denominator. So our quotient is 2, remainder is 6 and divisor is 7. So this is your answer. Now let us check our answer. First you multiply, then you add. Multiply 2 by 7 and then add 6 to the product. 2 multiplied by 7 plus 6 by 7. So what you get is 20 by 7. So our answer is correct. Now let us solve a word problem from question number 3. Let us solve a word problem. Let us solve question 2. To make 5 shirts of the same size, 11 meters of cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? Okay. Yeah, so the question says to make 5 shirts, you need 11 meters of cloth. So to make one shirt, how much cloth will you need? So for 5 shirts, if you need 11, so for one you will need 11 by 5, 11 divided by 5. So let us write 11 divided by 5 in mixed fraction. Okay, so we will write this in mixed fraction. So 11 divided by 5. When you divide, you get quotient to be 2. So quotient is 2, divisor is 5 and remainder is 1. So convert in mixed fraction, QRD, D for divisor, D for denominator. So it becomes 2. Then here your remainder is 1 and divisor is 5. So 215. 2 1/5. This much cloth is needed. 2 1/5 cloth is needed to make one shirt. So I hope you get this. Thank you.